I know you've wasted your 2025, but you also want to make money in 2026. In this video, I'll teach you how to become rich in 2026. If you're a Christian, you're a pastor, or you have spiritual gift, or you believe in spirituality, this is how you can become rich in 2026. Don't mind my voice. I have a little cough, but I have to make this video for you because I want you to learn. Now, number one, prayer does not work. It doesn't. When it comes to spiritual and money, prayer does not work. Money does not respond to money. Had it been prayer works since you would have made money, it doesn't work. It doesn't. Another thing that doesn't work is fasting. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. What works, I'm going to tell you in this video, but I don't want to tell you now. Make sure you watch the video till the end so that you can learn the secret. But do me a favor, like this video, share it, and comment on this video so that I can reach more people. Just do me that favor and subscribe to my channel too. Now, I'm going to teach you the system that I've used that work for me and that's also work for other people. How to make money. How does it work? Number one, you need to sell a product or service. If you want to make money, you need to sell a product or service. If you don't sell a product or service, then how are you going to make money? This means that you need to ask for money. Ask for money. Many Christians are stuck here. They're like, oh Lord God, please bless me. How? God cannot bless you through your job, unless if you just want to make small money. Maybe God can bless you through your job, but it's small money. It's still your salary. Unless if you are stealing, which is not God that bless you in that case. If you truly want God to bless you, you must ask for money. You need to sell a product or a service. That means you must sell a book, you must sell a course, a program, you must sell one-on-one sessions, you must sell something. You must sell something. You must ask people for money. All the people that sell books, courses, program sessions, they ask for money. Yes, they ask for money. You, what are you doing? What can you do that people pay you for money? You see? Now, if you want to make serious money, you don't just sell anything. You need to sell something expensive. Something expensive to few people or something cheap to everybody. Sell something expensive to few people or something cheap to everybody. You can be selling something for $100, but if you sell it to 10,000 to 100 people, that's $10,000. $10,000 if you sell it to 100 people, $100. If you sell something expensive like $2,000, if you sell it to 5 people, few people, that's $10,000. But what can you sell? If you don't know what to sell, you need to learn a skill. You need to learn something. If you want to sell and make money, there has to be a reason that people will buy from you. What can you sell? Now, this is for people that don't have money or they don't have enough money. If you have a spiritual gift, maybe you can prophesy or do all those kind of things. You can sell sessions for like $100, $1,000. That's how I did it back then. You can also sell courses if you really know what you are doing. But I think the fastest way is sessions. That's the fastest way. If you have like members can pay for sessions, or they can buy your books or your programs. And before you know it, you're up there at $10,000 a month. Yes. If you don't have any skill, then message me. I'll teach you how to prophesy. So once you learn how to prophesy, you've mastered this, you've gotten this, sell a product or a service. That's it. Now, see where you are missing it. You want the money to appear from heaven, but the money will not appear from heaven. No, it won't. You must sell something. Something that people want. The next thing, how do you get these people? Because they're everywhere on social media. They're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. They're everywhere. But you want it fast. You choose TikTok and Instagram too. It's fast. Facebook is not that fast. Some people get lucky on Facebook, but it's not that fast. YouTube is not that fast. But they all work. They all work. If YouTube works, you make serious money. But TikTok and Instagram are kind of like fast. Facebook is not really fast, but if Facebook works for you, you make really big money. But then, if you post videos, there are some particular videos that you can post that these people will come to you. The videos will attract them. And once the video attract them, the next thing is you chat with them, and they pay. It's a simple process, very simple process. Do you understand? But now, many people have tried this and it doesn't work for them. Many people have tried these techniques, all these things. It doesn't work for them. Why? It is because that is not what is supposed to work for them. Maybe some people are trying Facebook, some are trying YouTube, but it's not going to work in the long term for them. This is why you need me to prophesy to you, because I can see the future. I'll tell you the exact platform that will work for you and the exact strategy that will work for you. Yes. And the exact price that you should charge, how much you should charge, what you should do. And eventually you make the money. I will see it. Everything I need to do to get a result, at least up to $10,000 per month. If not, you just be struggling. There's a particular thing that you should do that will work for you. But if you don't know, you won't be able to get results. You'll just be posting. You just cry. Now, you can also learn this by yourself, for example. Maybe when you learn how to prophesy, you'll be able to see all the strategies that you need to follow by yourself, but it takes time. It takes time to learn it. Some people also learn how to summon angels. If you summon angels, the angels will tell you what you should do. That will help you to make money. The exact strategy you should follow, the angel will tell you. Or you can get the money manifestation course. I have a money manifestation course that will teach you how to think until you vibrate at the frequency that you get the exact strategy that you should do and to work for you. These are the spiritual techniques that people use. One of the spiritual techniques that people use, some of them. And if you do this, I'm telling you, see, you can also make up to 10,000 within few months, within 3 months, 6 months, depending on how you do those strategies. It's possible. You can make 5,000 a month, dollars. It's up to you. Some of you are doing Forex, some of you are trying different things, but is it even going to work for you? So one needs to check. If you need help with this, with any of this, maybe you want to learn how to prophesy, you want to learn how to see visions, you want to learn how to summon angels, you want to learn money manifestation, or you want me to give you a prophetic dossier, a prophetic session where you learn everything about who your clients are, the people that will pay you, where they are, the strategy that you should use that will make you money. Everything I need to do to make up to $10,000 per month. If you want that information or you want to learn how to prophesy, just reach out to me on WhatsApp. This is number +234 903533 9683. Send me a message and I'll help you to achieve this result that you want. This is how to manifest money. In case you don't know. Now, comment, like, and share to your friends. I'll see you soon. Peace.